What up everybody? Welcome back to another video here with Ford Era. Today what we're going to be doing is switching out the windshield on Gold Dust. So right now, this windshield is cracked over here. It's got a bunch of little rock chips in it and also doesn't have the trim. And when we were out on the road trip home, I actually stopped in to Brian Pope, picked up the trim, and then I just bought a badass windshield with the green tint from Auto Metal Direct. And I got some Dennis Carpenter molding or weather strip, and one of my buddies Centeno's over here. He's going to be putting in the windshield for us. So right now I'm going to clean this up. I'll show you guys a time lapse of that, and then we're going to get this installed. See you guys then. So what I'm doing is I'm hitting all the trim with some 4-aught steel wool. Alright, so they got out the old windshield, cleaned everything up, looks beautiful. Now we'll put on the weather strip. And now we're going to put the molding on carefully. Camera died somewhere while they were putting on the trim, but they got that all done. They just put the tape to hold it on there. Now they cleaned up all the edges. It's funny, you could see when they painted the truck, they didn't take out the windshield. Still beautiful underneath there. So in a second they're gonna put the rope in and then install that. Alright, so Centeno just finished up installing the windshield. Man, does that look so much better. I love the trim on here, and now I got it with the green tint. Shout out to Auto Metal Direct for having all different types. They got like 3 different colors of windshield. They got the green, the clear, and a tint. So now I'm gonna go enjoy the truck a little bit more. Gotta wait a little bit for the rear view mirror piece to set, and yeah. So now I want to thank everybody for watching this video, and if you can, like, subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below, and we'll see you in the next one. See ya.